Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam. Complete knowledge. If you read Bhagavad Gita, you get complete knowledge. What Bhagavan says, idantute guhyatamam pravakshami anasuyam. Bhagavan Krishna is teaching Arjuna. So in the 9th chapter he says, my dear Arjuna, I am now speaking to you the most confidential knowledge. Guhyatamam. Tamam means superlative. Positive, comparative and superlative. In Sanskrit, Tara Tama. Tara is comparative and Tama means superlative. So here Bhagavan says, the perfect personality of God says, Idantu te guhyatamam pravakshami. Now I am speaking to you the most confidential knowledge. Jnanam vijnanam sahitam. The knowledge is with full knowledge, not that imagination. Jnanam vijnana sahitam. Vijnana means science, practical demonstration. So, jnanam vijnana sahitam. Jasgyatya, if you learn this knowledge, jasgyatya mokshase asubha. Asubha. Mokshase means you get liberation. And asubha means inauspicity. Inauspicity. So, our present life, at the present moment, present life means so long we possess this material body, it is full of inauspicity. Mokshase asubha. Asubha means inauspicity. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,